morning, guys, and happy Saturday. Rough night's sleep. Don't know why. Nothing happened. Just couldn't sleep last night. I have just made myself, just made John's breakfast smoothie, which is that there, and myself a coffee. John's in the shower. I'm going to drink my coffee and then I'm going to get ready for work. I'm hoping this throat thing is just because I've slept with my mouth open and not that I'm getting ill, because John is quite jammy, and I don't want to be jammy. So yeah. I need to do some of these nails this weekend as well. They look hideous. But yes, going to work. Got the Sainsbury's shopping coming at 4. The weather forecast today is not pleasant, so not 100% sure what's going on in my life. But yes, the immediate thing is coffee, and I've got this one. Alright there, Gil, what are you doing? Say good morning. Say good morning, YouTube. Happy Saturday. He's like, no, I'm grumpy. Look how grumpy he is. You grumpy? Oh, grumpy bear. Dressed and ready to go. Curly hair today. Well, didn't go right on both sides, hence why one side is pinned up and one side looks like that. But yeah, let's go to work.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop the band on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. And my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day's like something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why.
Hi guys.
Word.
Word?
Yeah. Word up.
The bearded Ed Sheeran here. So yes, John has picked me up from work. And we have come to Sainsbury's for lunch, even though Sainsbury's are coming to us at 4 o'clock. But it worked quite well the other week, didn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna go for some lunch. Chippies. Pie and mash. He's a handsome boy. So, Sainsbury's done. Quick trip to the clothing department. Bought myself a kilt. I would call it a skirt, but when the man put it through the till, it said kilt. So yeah. Now we're going home. My hair was looking quite pretty earlier, but now it's just a mess. So yeah, going home. Need to put some loose clothes on, because that pie and mash that I had for my dinner, whew, stuffed. But yeah, going home. Hey guys, so we're home, and my glossy box turned up today, but I don't think I'll be recording that until Monday. And yeah, I now have to tidy up the kitchen because Sainsbury's is coming, and it needs to be tidy for the food haul, and I need to take off my super tall boots and put some skinny jeans on, because that's far more comfortable, to be fair. That pie was amazing, but now I'm like, so food baby is not even funny. It was good though, very, very good. Right, let's get this place looking like it should. So my food shopping's been delivered by a rude delivery driver, so that was fun. And I've also broken like 3 nails. But yes, about to record a food haul.
It's miserable. Drizzle, rain, dogs are happy. No coats. No coats on, so it can't be that cold. Kate's got a bobble hat on. It's all good.
So that wasn't that pleasant. It was the kind of, didn't look like it was raining. We went outside and then you think, oh, it's drizzling. And you get out of our little cul-de-sac nook thing and it's actually quite wet. So, yeah, not a nice walk. Skinny jeans are a bit soaked, so they're off and I've got jammy bottoms on. And yeah, now I'm going to cook us some tea. Making a quick stir fry and I'm just cutting up this pepper. So like, I'll just cut that off. But look inside my pepper. There's like green peppers growing inside. I know all peppers are green and all peppers are red if they're left long enough to ripe, but how weird does that look? I think it looks a bit freaky. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got this Linda McCartney shredded duck stir fry. There is broccoli, noodles, edamame beans, onion, sweet red pepper, carrot. I don't know if I've already said broccoli, mange too. Loads of veggies. Yeah, and vegan duck and some noodles. So yeah, it smells really good. It smells really good. Hey guys, so it's a bit later. We've watched a couple of episodes of Gavin and Stacey. John helped me fix some stuff on the Mac. It was getting a bit full, and I'm uploading, and we've decided to take a break. By we I mean John. I've decided to take a break from Walking Dead tonight, and we are going to watch Portrait Artist of the Year. It's something we've started watching this year. I think there's like 2 series that we haven't seen, so we're downloading season 1, and we're going to watch that for a bit of a break from zombies, bit of culture over zombies.
25 to 1 in the morning on Saturday night, rock and roll, and I'm watching curling on the Winter Olympics. It's mint. Great sport, that. Absolutely ace.